There are often times when it's helpful to get your data from our system into a spreadsheet. And this could be to do some data manipulation, for example, create some charts or filter by certain bits of information that you care about. So you can copy individual cells by using our copy selected data feature. Go check our video on that if you get a chance. But if you actually want to copy the entire table, or in other words, everything you can currently see within a table, then there is a neat way of doing that. So the way you do it is to first of all open up the section you're interested in, and you can see here we've got this table for inspection items. Next, you want to right click on any cell within that table, and you can say export and then Excel export. This will create a Excel file which you can open up like you can see here. I don't actually have Excel on this computer, but it has opened up the Mac default application. But if you did have Excel open, this was going to launch Excel, and you can start to do some interesting things within the spreadsheet. Now, as you can see, the first row on the spreadsheet relates to the labels that you would see in our software. Every row underneath relates to an item, as you can see here. So this is really helpful, and as someone who uses Excel and spreadsheet programs a lot, I would find this very useful personally. But what if you want to export just some of the data that you can see? Well, what you can do instead is to hide the columns that you're not interested in. Now, you can either drag the columns off the table like so, which effectively hides them, or you can click on this icon and you can actually just cherry pick the fields you want. So when you use the right click export to Excel feature, it will, like I say, only export the information that is visible. So if I was to open this up, you can see it's just those columns that we had selected. Now, there might also be some filtering you want to do on the rows before you export the data. You can do this using our section views feature. So section views are something that at the time of this recording must be set up by a member of our team. If you have them enabled, you're going to see some extra options in the drop down here. So I have a section view called sampled items, and you can see it has actually filtered this list down to just 4 items. If I now was to export the data to Excel, then it's only going to show 4 rows plus the header row which has the labels, so 5 rows in total. So a combination of section views, hiding data, and perhaps also other features like sorting or reordering columns means that you can actually get the information from this table out in any format that you desire. I just want to point out that what we've talked about just now is how to export data from a single section, just a single table. If you did want to export data from all tables, there is a separate feature that you can use to do that, which is this little green icon here where it says export as Excel. But that's something a little bit different because it will copy every single section and create a separate tab on the spreadsheet file for each section. That is a little bit less flexible in the sense that it's just going to export everything, whereas this method here, which I've been showing you, will export just the data that is visible, so you have some flexibility and actually you can play around with the format before you do the export to get it just the way you want it.